Hi guys. My name is Laura Shield. I live in Greenville, Illinois. Right now I have a son who is in college, and I have two grandkids that live with me. So I've been kind of busy with baseball and track and sports and all that kind of stuff. Um, right now I graduated in December of 2017 with my bachelor's in social work. Um, I I I want to do hospice. That's my goal. So while I'm trying to make some extra money, I'm substitute teaching at a place called Garrison's, which is an alternative school, and it's really opened my eyes to see what is out there for these kids that their home life is not all it's cracked up to be. So that's what I'm doing right now. My one thing that I enjoyed in my past courses, I'm kind of ready to get into what I want to learn out of these courses. So it's not they're bad courses, but this is not exactly what I want to learn. So I'm excited to see what comes up in the future in other classes. But like I said, teachers are great. Everything's good. Gotta be honest. This is not my favorite course. I don't do policies. I don't do anything with lawmaking and things like that. So I think this could be a difficult course for me, but I don't know. Maybe the professor will have something special to say and have me looking forward to this course. So, thank you so much for listening to me, and I will talk to you all later. Bye.